making the piece to go on the exhaust. That all done?
Yep. This is going to go in here.
I'm going to double it up.
I'm going to put the piece back in there first, and then I'm going to put that piece there, and I'm going to make another one. Another one in here.
That one broke off in there too.
Yep.
So, fits all out. Get that all done. Okay. Kind of gotta fix this piece now. Cut it off so it fits. And we're welding the wishbone and the ends on it. Get those tacked on there. Need me to hold it, or?
I need, we'll get a square. We'll make some.
Alright.
I'm just going to cut this little notch, this out, and that'll go right around where this was.
Okay. So those ends, these are threaded in there, those are threaded ends, and we had to shorten it because now that we made this longer, the two pieces that go down into there, it becomes shorter, so we really didn't have too much room before, so once we lowered those down, now it's even shorter, so everything's closer, so we had to cut those off and get new ends put on that, so it slips into there. So when these are in here, it's closer down, everything gets narrower, so I had to make that shorter and cut that off.
So we're going to
Cut those out.
I'm going to stay on the outside of the line. I don't want to take too much off. Let's see how that fits.
Hair more.
The outside of the line now.
Front piece is good on it.
Huh?
Front of it's good on this side.
Yep. I don't know yet. I'm going to slide it in. I'm going a little at a time. I don't want it to be too big. This way, it'll fit nice and tight. There. Like that. Nice.
Nice.
Alright, so now it's got to go. That has to go there. So we
I gotta cut that.
gotta take off.
And
gotta take off that much more.
Or you gotta have to cut the notches out on that.
Yeah, I
huh?
will.
Okay.
Yeah. Give me the marker and I'll notch that.
So what are you gonna put a piece on the other one then?
Yeah.
On the other side?
So, good?
Yeah.
Alright.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna double it up on both sides.
Yeah, we'll do the same thing. And then we'll put another piece on the inside like we did the other. Yeah, I know. We'll do it like this side, we'll put 2 and we'll double up.
This already has 2 on the inside because and the reason was that I actually made a mistake.
Right.
I put one on and I put this brace in, but it was too far forward, so I put a double. That's probably why this one held up better.
You want me to go ahead and hit that inside one too now?
We could do that when it's lower. You can get when you get
Okay. Alright.
I mean,
Yeah.
maybe you want to just.
Okay, take the clamps off. And we'll go on the bottom of it. Let it down some, or you wanna
Go up?
Go up?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Go up there. This one. Start on the other side.
Just put the clamps on it. You cut that one to make it the same, right?
Yeah. Hold that like that. Just let me catch it because these things are hot from the other side still. Get them while they're hot. Right.
Hey, tell me.
You're good over there?
Oh, it's sticking way out. Oh, no, you had the other one. Where's the other one at?
Oh, that's the wrong one.
Where's the other one?
That was for the. Ow. You get them. This one. Go. Yep.
Okay, put that on.
All right, so we scuffed the wishbone down. We ended up cutting it. Josh showed you that. Put new ends on it. Etch primed it. Got this all etch primed. Gonna put a coat of paint on it real quick tonight, and then tomorrow morning we'll put another coat on it. This is what we're using. Semi-gloss. This stuff works great on everything. So we've been using this on pretty much the whole chassis, all the roll bar, all that stuff. We've always used this. This stuff works great. It covers nice. Not expensive. Actually, I found this can. It's got a extra large can for the same price as the regular size can at Lowe's. I think it was. I got it. Looks good. Nice. Get that all done up. it way back in there. All right. This side. All right. That's it. That's one coat for tonight. Either I'll come back out later and give it another coat. I'll probably come back out later and give it another coat real quick. This way that's done. Give this a coat real quick. This way everything's dry. Tomorrow I can put everything back together. Alright. Got that all painted up. Got that all painted up. That's it. Put it back together tomorrow. Get it all back together.
Okay. All right. Got the rear back in there.
There and there. Right.
Had to grind a little bit from these where the bars they were touching actually. So when we try to angle it up when we're picking it up, gonna get the bolt in it. So cut those away so that we can rotate on there. Got it?
Yeah. Alright, so get that.
Tighten that up, put the wheels on it. Gotta go all over all the bolts.
We gotta go get some
On the
new,
whole thing.
new 1/2-inch grade 8 locking nylon locking nuts. So that put them on here, put them on all the ones we took apart. So we'll get new ones. These are just some used
Yeah,
ones.
they're
We'll get some new ones.
getting new ones. Okay.
I'm gonna go do that, and then when I let it down, tighten the wheels up, put the wishbone back up, and then put it in the other garage, and then we can get all our measurements and stuff.
Yep. All right.
Okay, so we're back in the other lift. Got the car all back together. You can see now how that sits much lower, even with the rest of the chassis down there. We got a downward angle on the bar. So what we're doing now is loosening everything up. We're gonna get all the measurements from the ground to each one of those holes. So from the ground to each hole, from the ground to each hole, length of the bar, have all the measurements out, and then we're going to plug them into the 4-link calculator and see where we need to be, which we kind of already know where we need to be because I kind of plotted it out already, but I just need to make sure that the measurements that I have from the ground to the holes are exactly what they're supposed to be. Okay, so we need exact measurements. And then what I also did was I raised the car up one hole on the shocks, so the car sits just a little bit higher, so I just got to make sure everything's the same. All the measurements are done. And then we're going to set the pinion angle, set the wheelbase again, set the pinion, the whole bit. So now this is the ride height, so we're going to get all the measurements for that first.